there, Devin here with Patriot Awning Company. Want to thank everybody for checking out our YouTube channel. The likes, the shares, the thumbs up, the love we've been shown. Listen, it all means so much and we really appreciate you. Demonstrating for you guys today, this is a manual roll-up curtain system that we did out at North Lake Shopping Center at Lulabelle's. If you're into fine food and a nice bar, drinking, having a couple of adult beverages is your thing, get out here to Lulabelle's, check them out. First class food, first class bar, great vibe. Get out here and check it out. This is a manual operated roll-up curtain system. It works with ropes and the pulleys that you can roll the curtain up or down. I'll demonstrate how it works. First, you want to take these zippers up. Now what you want to do with this system is you want to get it started by hand first before you just go yanking on the cord. So pull it up a good little ways. Then you grab the cord and pull the curtain up. You might need to help it along so it stays nice and pretty. Make sure you're pulling it up even. Pull it all the way up. And then we got some cleats here that you can attach it to. That's how you open the curtain system. Dropping it down is very similar. You don't want to just let it fall. You want to ease it down, then reach those zippers, pull the zippers down, and you're good to go. This is an inexpensive system. We also carry motorized systems with captured sides. We do them with clear, without clear. The clear windows that we use are 30 gauge extruded clear. We use these because they shrink less on the curtain. Okay, that's really important because the weakest part of this system is the clear. Unfortunately, the clear lasts probably 5 to 7 years. Then we're replacing the clear panels in here. We've done them with screen windows with removable clear panels. That's an option. On this system, we did a fixed frame emergency egress door because this is an emergency egress through here. But this is all solution dyed acrylic awning fabric. It's been flame coated. And just an inexpensive way for a restaurant owner to increase the square footage, the heated square footage of the seating space. So what does that mean? This restaurant, this enclosure will pay for itself. Because if you're in a situation where you've got customers lined up out the door waiting on seats, not everybody, let's be honest, not everybody's going to wait, especially with the competition. There's a restaurant right over here down the road. Restaurants are everywhere these days. You got to be Johnny on the spot with seating or people are going to go elsewhere. So if you would like to increase the heated square footage of your restaurant, it's free rent. Patriot Awning Company, you can book an appointment online with us, super easy. Just go onto our website, patriotawning.com, scroll down to the bottom, book now, restaurant enclosure, or commercial, and we can help you turn over more tables and make more money. Thanks for checking out our video. You guys have an awesome day.